everyone. Just wanted to say, hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Excuse me. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I thought I'd make a video for you. Another video for you guys for the new year. It's tickling. Oh my God. Okay. Hey, see, hey, oh God, who's coming in? Oh, that was close. Oh God, I was feeling a little sneezy today, so I thought I'd record for you all. I hope you're all, oh God, I hope you're all having a good new year, and oh, this is coming good. Hey, you guys, see, oh, I held it back. Okay. I think I feel like coming. Yeah. Oh, and then, oh God. I have to blow my nose. Oh my God. Oh, man, it's been tickling me all day. It feels good to finally let these sneezes out. Oh, this one's teasing me. Oh, it's really teasing me. Oh God. Oh God. It's coming. Hey, okay, see. Oh, bless me.